This is too long, and I don't have a socket that matches the NGKs. All right, ladies and gents, we are in my brother's garage because we ran into a problem. My 18mm socket cannot make the distance. It's too fat.
He is too damn big
to be heading into the cylinders to get the last two spark plugs out. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our own tool. I found an 18mm old socket. We're going to die grind right here so we can get the width, the spark plug itself, like that. Then we're going to tack weld this piece to the back so I can make the distance. We're professionals, we don't have the right tool. Sometimes you might have to make a tool. So this was gonna start off as a how to change your spark plug video, but now we're getting a little bit more in depth, and I'm already this far. Yeah, my boy, we walked right in. We're already this far, so we're gonna go ahead, continue on going to the next step, making our own tool. That's where we're at. We're gonna get set up. Back in a minute. So we cut all the way through. This is where we're at now. What we're gonna do is just gonna clean it up, straighten her out a little bit. Smooth like butter. Well, a little hot glue action. Now we'll go see if she works. Done deal. That's how we make a tool, son. All right, we're back at the compound with our newly made socket. Let's see if this works. All right, so socket itself is a little too fat.
He is too damn big.
So we're gonna shave down on the sides. We're going back to the RJC shop.
Redneck ingenuity, right?
That's it, man, right here. Like a minigun out of bullets. Sam Adams Cherry Wheat, the official Honda beer.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. Oh, we even just slid right in, motherfucker! Just slid right the fucking right in.
That mother's chrome polish.
Hell yeah, that mother's cold. Probably go little spit lube.
Quick little.
We slipped right in, dude. Fucking sweet. That's what happens when you make your own tool and you'll craft it. Okay, this video has been going on long enough. Turns out we had to make ourselves a little bit of a tool. Can you go to the store and buy one? Sure. I'm sure on Amazon or something you can find a spark plug that will be 18 millimeters for an NGK spark plug. But we made our own. So there you go. My brother Rick and I figured it out. We made a cool custom tool. I think it looks badass. And this will be the Honda spark plug socket tool for the bikes. That's today's video. I hope you like. It doesn't need to be crazy difficult. You pull a plug out, you put a plug in. Very simple. It never is that simple. Other guys on YouTube make it 1, 2, 3, bing, bang, boom, and everything's easy. It ain't easy, but that's the part about having fun. I got to hang out with my brother, crack a couple beers, though that Sam Adams cherry wheat is on point, by the way, and we made a tool, and we made it work. We're sparked up. Till next time, enjoy the weekend. Peace!